Oh yeah. Oh nice. Nah. I know. Okay. Food plays a big part here, and I'm having this codfish. They literally has given me 6 or 7 codfish. New day has started. Today I'm going to a place called Sarande, which is at the extreme south, near the Adriatic, where the Adriatic Sea meets the Mediterranean Sea. It's a very popular beach destination, and I'm here at the bus terminal, which is also known as terminal. So wherever you are at Tirana, look for bus which says terminal, or you can get up and say Autobus terminal, I want to go, and they'll give you a ticket. There are buses going to all around Albania from here. It's a huge bus station. Here are the places where you can go from Tirana. You can go to Shkoda, which is in north, or you can go to Kukes or Burel, or a place called Lege, which is also in the north, or you can go to Bayram Curry in Kosovo. These are the timetables where buses from the city center in Terminal Tirana goes all across Albania. Now we are paid for the bus ticket, 1300 lek, and we are going to our bus. Which bus? There are 2 kinds of buses here. The first one is these mini buses, which are also known as furgons or marshrutkas in Russia. And then there are big buses, big coaches. If you want a comfortable journey, best to choose a bus, a big bus, and not a marshrutka or a furgon. But I think our luck is not with our side, and we are heading to a furgon, which is going to be very uncomfortable. No thank you, no thank you. Doubts बहुत है यहाँ पे. इंडिया जैसा ही है. किसी भी बस अड्डे जाओ, कश्मीरी गेट जाओ या दादर बस टर्मिनस जाओ, डाउट्स जैसे घेर लेते हैं उस टाइप का. Guess what? हम लोग को मिला है फुरगॉन, not a bus. How uncomfortable it will be. And he's keeping my bags. I don't know whether they charge extra for baggage, but yeah, I really wanted a big bus, but a furgon is what we get. Kya kare? And behind me here, it's written Shitet. I've seen this sign all across Albania, Shitet. Don't know what that means. Maybe it's for sale. Shitet means for sale in Albanian. Right. Our bus leaves at 9:45. Now there are 2 routes to Sarande. One on the very scenic route which goes via the coast. You can see the Albanian Riviera and wow at the beautiful Adriatic Sea as you pass by. And the second is a shorter but a more convenient route with very good highway, which is through the interior of the country, and it takes around 3 hours. But the scenic route, which is more beautiful, it takes around 5 hours. I don't know which route this bus will go, but we'll see. And ये पीछे हमारी जो बस है मर्सिडीज बेंज का कोच, इसको फुरगॉन बोलते हैं. अभी मैं जाता हूँ अंदर, रिफ्रेशमेंट्स खाना पीना करता हूँ, चाय मारता हूँ, फिर चलते हैं. अच्छा है वेदर अराउंड 20 to 23 डिग्रीज है. जैकेट की ज़रूरत नहीं, अंदर बैठ के गर्मी लग रही है. एंड आई एम फीलिंग गुड. गोइंग टू द बीच, गोइंग टू द कोस्ट, फीलिंग हैप्पी. reached the beautiful port city, the resort town of Sarande, and I have checked into my hotel. It is called Relax Apartments Sarande. It's actually an apartment. They've given the entire flat to us. And let me give you a room tour first. Because it is an apartment, they have two rooms in it. This is the kind of living room which has a small bed, a sofa and a table. It also has a fully functioning fridge and a water bottle and a water heater. It has a fully equipped kitchen with a burner. There are utensils over here. There are plates also over here, pretty nice over here. Huh? And this is the bedroom. King size bed with a nice TV. A desk where you keep your laptop and work. Look at the view, guys. This is the view. Lens pe Suraj ki roshni. The entire is actually on a small hillock around a kilometer from the main city center. It's a bit far from the main city center. There is a supermarket down there, but the main thing is the view, guys. It's awesome. This region is called the Albanian Riviera, and that's the Mediterranean Sea behind me. I know there is some problem with the sea. The sun is exactly on the lens, but that is the Mediterranean Sea. And there is an island over there. That island is Greece. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe later tomorrow I can show you. But there is the Greek island of Corfu over there. A ferry starts from Sarande to Corfu, leaves every hour, and it takes around around an hour to reach there. But we cannot go to Greece without a visa. It's EU, it's Schengen territory. But it feels so amazing, guys. Greece is so near. The resort town of Corfu is so near. People generally want to fly to Corfu and then take a ferry to Sarande, those who have ease of access and freedom of travel due to their strong passports. But हम लोग Indian भारतवासी Albania आए हैं, visa free है. But Greece जाना हो तो visa की ज़रूरत है. वो वहाँ पे. But otherwise, property is good, spacious bungalow. Sit here in the morning, read the newspaper, stay abreast of the current affairs of Albania and maybe Greece, eat an apple, smoke a cigar, have a bottle of rakia. Yeah, that's how life should be. Time to lie down and rest, and I'll show you the city in gradual course of time. Nah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh nice. Nah. I know. Okay. Those were the hotties of Sarande. I hope I get lucky here. Freshened up at my hotel, and right now I am just exploring the nearby locality on foot. One thing I noticed about Sarande, that it has a very Greek vibe. Just like Turquoise had a very Italian vibe because its proximity to Italian cities in the Adriatic. Sarande is on the Mediterranean and it's just a stone throws away from the nearest Greek island of Corfu. So literally there are signages in Greek. I saw it's in English, Albanian and Greek. So all the beta, theta, gamma, all those archaic characters, they have all made their presence well known. And it has a very nice Mediterranean vibe. Like if you can easily feel that you're walking in maybe Athens, the back alleys of Athens or Piraeus. There's a ferry from Sarande to Corfu, but yeah, जाएंगे कभी. Greece जाना है कभी ना कभी. There are a lot of restaurants on the beach. Sarande actually also has a waterfront like Turquoise, but the main beautiful beaches are in Samil, which is a 15-kilometer drive away from Sarande. It has beautiful beaches, and other than that, there are a lot of beaches. The names I don't remember right now. Slowly I'll get to know. I have 3 days here, so we'll explore the Albanian archipelago, the Albanian Riviera at my own pace. There are Greek restaurants, Taverna del More, in front of me, which has seafood. You know how Goa tries to be fake Greece? There are, Thalassa, Taverna restaurants and all, as if it's Greece and all. This is the real deal. This is how Greece should be. Does Goa have it? Yeah, it's Portuguese, not Greek. Which way? Where? Anywhere. I want to see. Oh, beautiful.
Where are you from?
India.
India.
India, yeah.
What you like?
As you're in the Mediterranean coast, seafood plays a big part here, and I'm having this codfish. They literally, he has given me 6 or 7 codfish, along with I've taken French fries, codfish French fries, weird combination I know, and then there is bread. Bread is given as complimentary over here. टाइम हो रहा है 6:15 और मैं इस वक्त सरांडे के बीच में हूँ. All this is your Mediterranean Sea. There are cafes over here dotting the promenade. It's even beautiful than Dures, I must say. I'll have to come in the morning again to see its view. It's like awesome. Sarande gets 300 days of sunshine per year, and it's worth coming in the morning to see the entire bay, the entire promenade in its full magnificence. I have come to Le Kursi Castle, which is provides spectacular views of Sarande beachfront and this entire Sarande Riviera. Le Kursi Castle, it's an ancient Roman era fort. People generally come here in the day. Twinkling like stars, the entire city of Sarande. Isn't this romantic? Romantic, yes. It's a perfect place for a candlelight dinner. This entire place. They say that this fort was built by the Illyrians, who were this ancient tribe who are not affiliated to Romans or Greeks, and the Albanians are descendants of the Illyrians. And this place was called Illyria. Yes, it had Roman and Greek influences later on, but originally this place was called Illyria. That's why Illyrians. You'll see the name everywhere in shops, in money exchange. But enough talk. Enjoy the view of this spectacular twinkling city on the Mediterranean. And right, here I am in my room. अच्छा खासा प्लान बन गया था लोकल्स के साथ, लेकुरेसी फोर्ट जाके आए. कल भी उन लोग के साथ ही प्लान है. टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू 3-4 spots. Samil, Butrint, the Blue Eye. These are all few attractions along the beach. And यही होता है, लोकल्स के साथ घूमते हो, लोकल टूरिस्ट मिल जाते हैं. They know the place more than you and they can guide you very well. We've got a taxi which 4 of us will go, and it's gonna cost us 50 euros, and it's a killer of a deal. Very, very value for money and very comfy. So I'm very happy to be here in Sarande. The weather is a bit cold to take bath, but people were taking bath over here. Very brave people. But the waters are beautiful. Can't wait for tomorrow morning to explore those places. And ये जो taxi वाले भाई साहब थे, he spoke Albanian, but he also spoke fluent Italian and Greek. Speaks volumes about the Greek and Italian influence in this region. कल और भी मजा आएगा. कल देखते हैं. इसके साथ आज का ब्लॉग खत्म करता हूँ. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. With that, see you tomorrow. Good night.